How to change WordPress PHP version in cPanel. The latest versions of cPanel make it easy to choose what version of PHP your site is using. With just a few clicks, you can switch between different versions and even use different versions across sites in the same cPanel. This is especially helpful when upgrading older sites, troubleshooting, or dealing with third-party applications. Some of the applications, themes, plugins, or modules would require certain PHP parameters or values for it to work. So, first of all, open your browser and enter into your WordPress administration panel. Write your domain /wp-admin. Log in with your username and password. You see here you get a notice that a PHP update is required. We actually use a very old version of PHP for this site, so let's check how we can change this. Let's add a new tab on the browser. Write the domain name / and text cPanel. Now write your username and password and click Login. Now find on cPanel Multi-PHP Manager. Click it. Now select the domain from the checkbox. You see now I have here PHP 5.6. On the right, you have a selector for the PHP version. Select one of the newer versions, then click Apply. You see now the version of PHP for this domain has been changed. We now use version 7.4. If we go back to the site and we refresh, we see the notice has disappeared. This is how you change the PHP version on your WordPress with cPanel. If this was useful, please like, share, and subscribe. You can watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.